Hi, I'm Patrick Shea with Seattle Mitsubishi Fuso. We have here a 2005 Freightliner Columbia Tandem axle day cab. Let me show you a little bit about it. This tractor comes with dual 120-gallon aluminum tanks, air ride suspension, air slide fifth. It's got real good tires on it. This tractor has a Fuller 10-speed manual transmission, telescopic tilt steering, power mirror, heated mirrors, air suspension dump valve, fifth wheel slide, interaction differential switch. Also has cruise control. Let's start it up and see how it sounds.
The power in this is a Detroit Series 60 455 horsepower diesel engine. It can be upgraded to a 515 horsepower.